Hey everyone, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is a smartphone that perfectly reflects the company's inventiveness and tenacity in the face of adversity. Despite continuous penalties, it appears as a nearly 7-inch gadget packed with capabilities meant to reshape user expectations. This is Huawei's audacious message to the IT community. It's not just another generic release. Before you start the video, subscribe to the channel. This will help us develop. The Mate 70 Pro Plus balances portability and a high-end feel right from the start. It is based on Huawei's own innovations and features, a MediaTek CPU that was designed for its ecosystem, rather than being borrowed. Like the iPhone, it has a real Face ID technology, but it takes a different approach by including a fingerprint scanner in the power button instead of beneath the screen. It stands out due to its unique combination of biometric security features. One important talking point about the device is its Harmony OS operating system. In contrast to the standard Android shell, Huawei's proprietary Harmony OS system is nevertheless compatible with Android apps through the App Gallery and Gbox. The Pioneer edition of the Mate 70 Pro Plus offers Harmony OS Next, a daring step where Android apps are reportedly not natively supported, while Huawei has not commented on this development. The Mate 70 Pro Plus's design includes titanium frames that give it a high-end, robust feel, along with an IP68 and IP69 certified body that resists dust and water. Although it seems like plastic to the touch, Huawei claims that the fiber material used for the rear cover is 5 times stronger than glass. Though its 79.5 millimeters width can make one-handed operation difficult, the design is ergonomic and features rounded edges, reminiscent of previous iPhone models. The camera system, which has a variable aperture to enhance its photography skills, is the main focus. The cameras are housed in a circular washer that is both fashionable and practical, guaranteeing a smooth appearance that deters dust accumulation. This is consistent with Huawei's track record of providing high-end image gear. In Mate 70 series portfolio, the Pro Plus distinguishes itself with enhanced RAM, battery capacity, and casing materials, compared to the original Mate 70 Pro. Although the RS version has a unique design and a 2-layer AT screen, not everyone will find the aesthetics appealing. The Mate 70 Pro Plus's Harmony OS 4.3 software, which is based on AOSP, keeps an Android connection while forging its own route. With Harmony OS Next, Huawei's unique Pioneer edition of the handset suggests that the company may go further away from Android's core while maintaining user-friendly features. Although the Mate 70 Pro Plus has not yet been released globally, its Chinese release has attracted excellent pre-order numbers, indicating strong demand. A global version seems unnecessary in areas where the Chinese version, which supports LTE bands. The Mate 70 Pro Plus has some peculiarities despite its many advantages. The supplied protective cover, for instance, has drawn criticism for its subpar fit and construction. Because of its unusual size and design, there aren't many accessories like covers and screen protectors made specifically for this device. Pricing-wise, Mate 70 Pro Plus is a high-end product. Standard model costs $755, while Ultimate Edition costs $1,700. Although its appeal may lean toward enthusiasts and devoted Huawei fans, price is in line with its premium positioning for features and build quality. To sum up, Mate 70 Pro Plus is evidence of the business's tenacity and inventiveness. It establishes itself as a strong competitor in the market for high-end smartphones. By fusing cutting-edge technology with a distinctive operating system and high-end materials, Mate 70 Pro Plus is an appealing option for individuals looking for something unique in a world full of well-known devices, regardless of whether you're pulled to it by its creative design or charm of a truly unique gadget. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you soon.